Hey guys, and welcome to another video, and today I have a mechanical alarm watch, and this is from Jaeger-LeCoultre or Jaeger-LeCoultre, whatever you like it. But what I like about watches, and one of my favorite complication, is the mechanical alarm, and I think it's such an underrated complication. And today we almost all have smartphones and whatnot, and dozen alarms for different purposes, but from utility standpoint, mechanical alarm is so useful, and it has so much charm, and there's nothing like a mechanical alarm wristwatch, whether you have a Seiko Bellmatic, which I reviewed in my channel, or a Pilot alarm, or a Volcane Cricket, or whatnot. They go way back, those watches, and even before watches, they even ancient Greeks had water clocks rigged to drop pebbles and ring gongs and all other kinds of noise-making mechanism to make yourself awake. But first time I had experience with the mechanical alarm, it was with Seiko Bellmatic, and immediately I started researching, and I found about this one, and this is Jaeger-LeCoultre mechanical alarm, or Jaeger-LeCoultre Memovox. And when I did my research, I found about this one. It was years ago, and I never thought in a million years, what that day when I learned about it, that I will have opportunity to show you one on the channel and to review one. But here it is, and Jaeger-LeCoultre Memovox is the mechanical alarm watch to have if you like mechanical alarms. And maybe you can start your own collection with the mechanical alarm watches, and this one would be super cool and flagship of your collection. Even today, I think they have, in 2010, I think Jaeger-LeCoultre came out with a new Memovox, but it was first introduced by JLC in the 50s, 51, and it was the mechanical wound caliber 489, and two separate crowns allowed you to manually wound and set the alarm and timekeeping parts, just like a clock. And Memovox is from the Latin words, and kind of means something like a voice of remembering. And I don't know, I think it's perfect choice for a alarm watch. And in the 50s, JLC came out with caliber 489, and later on it was replaced with the caliber 815, and making the Memovox the first automatically wound alarm wristwatch. And this here you see is that one, and this is a bumper. It's automatic, but when you open it and check out the moment, you wouldn't say it until you know. So this is a bumper, and Memovox, the part of the wounding watch, is still wound separately from the rest of the watch. So you have a movement, bumper movement for the time telling, and you wound separately for the alarm. It's one of those watches that it's such a cool watch, and you need to own it to know it. And the closest thing to this one is, like I said, affordable version is a Seiko Bellmatic that's run around $200-300, but of course Volcane Cricket, I think that was the first alarm watch. It's also very collectible. You can find a Tudor Advisor, which is also similar from the 50s, and but in my mind, the Memovox is the one to have. And if you decide to get a vintage Memovox, there are a few things to look for. Any vintage watch, you need to be careful with the parts after dial, and this one center dial disc, and the hands and crowns are often later additions, and but that's all easy to see, and you can see the color and everything else. But at the end of the day, this is one beautiful watch, and I think if you see one, grab it.